What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Today we got something super exciting for the Type R. I'm super excited for it because everybody knows you can't have a JDM car without yellow fog lights. And not just any yellow fog lights for this Honda Civic Type R. We got the direct OEM fit from Honda Access LED yellow fog lights that are going to look absolutely awesome on this Honda Civic Type R. Check these out. Buster sure likes them. You like the new fogs? You excited to put them on? Good boy. Good boy. I'm super excited. My dog approves, I approve. Hopefully you guys approve of this install. Now let's get started. I can't wait. If you guys could do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Helps me out a ton. We're only just getting started on this channel. I know I have a bunch of overland builds and upgrades, but we're going to be doing a lot more this upcoming year. I am actually going to be driving this car 9 hours all the way to Vegas for SEMA. Unfortunately, I can't go for the whole week, but we are going for a couple days with my wife, and it's going to be a super fun road trip. I'm going to be vlogging the whole way there. I'm going to be covering the show, showing a lot of my favorite builds that are going to be there, and I'm super excited. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to stay tuned. We'll have a video up, but let's get started on this install. All right, it is super sunny today, but we got this right here. So we got the manual that I don't think I could read. Yeah, I definitely can't read that, but we won't need that. We got these beautiful, beautiful things that I can't wait to put on. If I could take them out of the box. Look at that. That is gonna be an upgrade. It's gonna look awesome. Yeah, I can't wait. It's gonna look awesome. I'm definitely trying to do little things that are gonna make this car stand out a little bit more, and I'm super excited to put these on. So let's get started. When installing these, you also need a special adapter that converts the halogen bulb to the LED connector on this fog light. So I ended up actually grabbing this as well, separate. Sometimes when you buy these, they come with it, but I actually bought these off Facebook Marketplace. Got a really good deal on them because I believe these are quite expensive for fog lights, brand new. So we got the conversion kit. Let's get started. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. That was a super quick and easy install. This car looks awesome. Can't wait to see how they look like in the dark. But we are done here and we are ready to go to SEMA in a couple days. Can't wait to drive 9 hours to Las Vegas on this car and see how it handles. And it's gonna be a fun road trip, and then the full coverage of SEMA. I'm super excited. So if you guys are interested in that, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next one.